The subject of this tutorial is the Army Training Network, ATN. What is ATN? ATN is a one-stop shop for all things related to Army training management. Specifically, those resources that help you train units and soldiers. ATN is a secure web-based portal. You'll need your CAC card to gain access. There are thousands of training management resources on ATN, and these include access to the Digital Training Management System, DTMS, the Combined Arms Training Strategies, CATS, Headquarters Department of the Army Standardized Medal, and much, much more. How do you get to ATN? Using your CAC card, ATN can be found at https://atn.army.mil. This is the Army Training Network homepage. As you can see, there's a tremendous amount of information available. We'll take a quick look around the site, but on your own, spend a few minutes navigating. That's the best way to get acquainted with ATN. Let's start at the top with the main menu bar. Let's start with My Favorites, a way of bookmarking your favorite places in ATN. The Home tab will always take you back to this home page. Unit Training Management, really the heart and soul of what ATN is all about. Here you'll find the doctrine to Army Training Management, Unit Training Management, which is the how-to extension of that doctrine, and many other resources that help you train units and soldiers. The My Training tab takes you to resources for your individual training records and career progression. The Videos tab is a selection of unit training management videos that are very useful for classes, leader professional development, easy to download and easy to view from a computer or a large screen. The Products tab gets you to a database of unit-developed training management products that have been provided to ATN from units all over the world. These are here for your use, whether they're unit training SOP, training meeting agenda. These are all formatted in Word, PowerPoint, Excel. Very easy to use, but they're here for your use rather than reinvent the wheel on writing a new training SOP, training guidance document. This shows you how other units do all of these processes. The Links tab takes you to a listing of other web sources that will also help you do the job of training management in your unit. In the Collaborate tab, I'll point out one of the major features here, and that's Ask a Trainer. If you don't see what you're looking for on ATN or you can't find it, go ahead and submit an Ask a Trainer form. Just clicking this tab will pre-populate a form that you can fill in and ask your question directly of one of the ATN technicians. We'll provide you an answer, at least an initial answer, within 72 hours of you sending it to the team. We'll provide you a tailored response to whatever question you may have. The Print tab allows you to print whatever you see. Whatever you're looking at on ATN, whether it's unit training management or one of our featured items, you'll be able to print that particular view from that tab. In the bar underneath, there's several searches. One, this search that allows you to search the entire of the ATN website. Again, if you don't see immediately what you're looking for off of the home page, go ahead and type in a search and hopefully the return will be the item that you're looking for. This search for tasks, and it includes individual, collective tasks, drills, and whatever type tasks that you may be looking for, is extremely important. With this feature, any soldier can find a task's training and evaluation outline, T&EO. A task T&EO provides task, condition, and standards along with performance measures and steps. If you're not using T&EOs to train, you're not training to the Army standard. You can also access T&EOs through CATS and DTMS, but the task search on the ATN homepage is the most direct route, and you don't need privileges to DTMS in order to get there. On the main area of the homepage, there are many featured content items highlighting current trends, training resources, concepts, and ideas. With these, just click to open any one of these to display the page and its supporting resource. We'll just select one and we'll show you what's behind these pages. In this particular instance, we selected Army Warrior Tasks and Battle Drills, and as you can see up in this main tab here, we've got a description of what you'll find. You'll be able to go to links that directly support all of these ideas, but this is one of many featured items that we have on ATN. And our team actually data mines and finds the best resources that support each one of these features and concepts. So the soldier doesn't have to search and discover on his own the best resources that support any one of these. Here's another example, cultural awareness training. And again, a lot of resources and a lot of time has been put into these to make sure that we provide soldiers the very best resources that are currently available for all of these topics. On the right side of the page, again, just like in the main menu bar, we have unit training management. So there's a lot of redundancy on ATN. So if you don't see it in one place, or see the feature that you're looking for in one place, you'll be able to find it in other places. Again, the heart and soul of ATN is about unit training management. And here you'll find, again, links to the Army Universal Task List, the AUTL, FM7-15, Combined Arms Training Strategies, CATS, the Digital Training Management System, DTMS, Headquarters Department of the Army, Mission Essential Task Lists, and TADS, Training Aids, Devices, Simulators, and Simulations. And this takes you to a database that will provide you information on TADS availability worldwide. The What's Hot box highlights the latest trends in the Army training community of practice. Scrolling down, as you can see, ATN is organized by topics, again with supporting pages providing the very best resources available for each. As you can see down here, the top 10 pages viewed during the past week highlights what soldiers are looking at on ATN now. So this information is automatically gathered by ATN and provides you to a view of what soldiers around the world are looking at on ATN. Scrolling further down, we've got the Training and Education Developer Toolbox, which is basically a site for training developers. And again, your best method of learning what's on the Army Training Network is to spend about 10 minutes or so navigating through the site on your own. There's a wealth of information available, and again, if you don't see what you're looking for, send us a note through the Ask a Trainer feature on the top menu bar. ATN, training solutions to stay Army strong.